ofowere. But make I tell you, this one is not ofowere. This one is vegetable soup. You can cook it even when you don't have the money. So guys, let me introduce the ingredients to you. I'll be using spinach for this delicacy. You can use any other vegetable of your choice. Here I have my goat meat. You can use any meat you desire. I have 1 million size of onions. Then I have intestine. God, I need this soup to be esulu esulano. I have my smoked mackerel with me. Then I'll be using fresh tomatoes. It's very important because it's called vegetable soup. I have crayfish. Then I also have my dry fish and stockfish. I have here 3 habanero peppers. Then I also have my salt to taste. Then I also have my oil, red oil, Niger palm oil, original Niger palm oil. So guys, with these ingredients, I'll be able to make my vegetable soup taste great. These ingredients I use here is what I have. You can make use of what you have. You must not add all these things, but make it exactly the way I do it, and you will thank me later. I will start by washing my meat. I'll wash it thoroughly with salt and hot water to remove every reddish blood color on it. Please let me on a music so that I will enjoy this cooking. We'll be cooking and dancing at the same time. Let's go.
I love these beats. She calls me P-boy.
I will spice it with onions, salt, 1 stock cube, then 1 habanero pepper. Then I will give it a stir. I will add my stockfish together with the meat because they are both strong and they both need to be soft. I will make sure that each piece of the meat was coated with the ingredients. I will place it on my burner to cook till tender.
Weezy at the higher, spending pounds and dollars. I say make your blessings follow me. Make your blessings follow me. I say make your blessings follow me. Make your blessings follow me. I say make your blessings follow me. Make your blessings follow me. I say
I will place my soup pot on my burner. Then I added my vegetable oil. I allowed it to be hot a little bit. Then I added my fresh tomatoes. At this point, you can add onions first if you want, but I don't like so much onions on my soup. So I think the onions I added on my meat is enough for this soup already. So I wouldn't add more onions. That's why I add my tomatoes first. And I never let the oil to be so hot to avoid splashing and all that, because you know tomatoes have a little water on it. I covered it up to cook for some time. So while I'm waiting for that, I will go over to debone my smoked mackerel.
when they come my house all day. I say respect to the people that make sure my music go far. All the radio stations, all my TV stations, bloggers and DJs, fans where they put on replay. Oh, I see you.
At this point, my tomatoes are fried so well. Oh yeah, I love that sound. Wow. I will then go ahead and add my cooked meat with the stock. I will cover it up to simmer for about 3 minutes so that the meat will marry the tomatoes so well. I will add my one remaining stock cube, then my crayfish, then I added my dry fish, my habanero peppers, my salt to taste, then I'll give them a stir. I have to taste it to know if it needs more salt. 2 more. Okay. So guys, it tastes great now. I'll cover it again for the ingredients to simmer for 2 minutes. I will add my smoked mackerel. I will give it a stir. Then I will add my almighty vegetable, my spinach. You can use pumpkin leaf. You can use any vegetable that you desire, but this one I'm using this spinach because it's what I can get where I am. So guys, can you feel my soup? Yeah, I'm already feeling the aroma in my kitchen. It's very delicious. Like it tastes like great, like superb. I wish there is a means of sharing food through social media. I would have done that to you that is watching this movie. Yes, to you. I would have shared this soup with you so that you will eat and testify this thing that I'm saying. So guys, my soup is ready. There is no other thing that I will do. I've off my lights because I don't like to overcook my vegetables. I will cover it up and allow the smoke that comes out from it to simmer the vegetable a little bit. So guys, that's all, and it tastes great and perfect. You need to try this soup. You need to try it exactly this way, then you will testify what I'm telling you. I can't wait to eat the soup. Like I told you, truly I can't wait. Thank you so much for watching me. If this is your first time watching me, you are highly welcome. Please touch the subscribe button, show your girls some love, like and share this video. If you have been there for me, I really so much love you. That's for you. You guys are so great. Please keep watching me. I love you guys. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.
All the radio stations, all my TV stations, bloggers and DJs, fans where they put on replay.